Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find a player in Last War Survival. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how to find players inside of Last War Survival. So the most common way is to just go ahead and click onto your chat here, and then we've got all these different players in the world chat. Alliance, if you are a part of Alliance, you can go ahead and find players in your Alliance, and also private, so any people that's messaged you in the past, if you message them, you're going to find them inside of your chat. Now another way is to go ahead and click on your world map, and then we can manually find a player just by moving around the map. So there's a player here, there's a player here, etc. Now, if you know their base coordinates, you can go ahead and click on that little search icon. Then from here, go ahead and put in their coordinates, so X and Y. So put in that and then click search, and that's going to find their base. Now, another way is through an alliance. So if you are a part of an alliance, go ahead and click onto alliance. Then you can go ahead and view members. You can see all the members inside of your alliance, and you can message them if you like. Now, if you can't find a particular player, they might be in a different server, so you can only search for players within your current server. Some servers may require a server number, for example S123, so check the player's profile if they gave it to you.